Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review is a Tarheel pie from Nancie McDermott. It's a classic North Carolina dessert that's rich, fudgy, and brownie-like with pecans. It's considered a popular variation of classic pecan and chocolate chess pie. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this Tarheel pie was very easy to make. As a lifelong North Carolinian, this pie hits close to home, and I'm honored to feature a dessert from my home state on the channel. Now on to the review. For the crust, I wanted to show how easy it was to use one that's store-bought. Even though it shrunk a little after baking, I think it turned out nicely with the decorative edge. I baked it for 33 minutes and the center was set and it looked delicious. Once I cut a piece, you could see that the filling was nice and dark and looked like a combination of brownie batter and tar. That's definitely on purpose considering the Tar Heel nickname. I've included a brief history of that nickname in the description box below for those who are interested. Now for the taste test. Since I'm right-handed, I had a bit of a hard time getting the bite onto the fork. The taste was out of this world delicious. It was gooey, fudgy, and phenomenal. I love the contrast in texture between the fudgy center and the crunchiness of the pecan pieces. This recipe is different from other Tar Heel pie recipes I've seen. The pecans here are tossed in the flour and sugar mixture before adding the rest of the ingredients. This helps prevent them from sinking to the bottom. Also, this one doesn't include coconut, and I'm glad because I don't think it's necessary. Overall, this is a 100-star recipe. It's very rich and absolutely fantastic. It's one of those desserts that I think tastes even better the next day. So if you love chocolatey, fudgy pies, give this one a try and you'll see for yourself just how delicious it really is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my pies playlist.